guys, it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make super rich macaroni coleslaw. So guys, let's jump right into the video. To begin with, you need to cook potatoes, green peas and macaroni until they are edible enough to consume, and lastly steam onions in hot water. Mayonnaise would serve as the cream for this coleslaw. Pour mayonnaise into a bowl, add a tablespoon of sugar, then thoroughly mix together so that all can properly combine. It is advised to use little sugar so as not to have a sugary result. Mix all veggies in cream except onions and eggs. Begin the layering with cabbage, green peas, carrots, cucumbers, potatoes, sweet corn, avocado, tomatoes, red beans, macaroni, onions, and lastly eggs. Everything is set for consumption. It's either you begin to consume right away or leave in the refrigerator to chill for a while and consume thereafter. Please bring your plate and let's eat. This tastes really good, I must confess. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time.